Hello mga kawakwak! I'm Anika and this is Itanong Mo sa Wakwak Part 4. So ito yung tanong ni Mariel. Tanong lang po, ano advantage ng pagiging wakwak? Planning po to join. Over sa Ask Me. Actually, this is very personal to us and very confidential. This may affect my professional license and lead me to temporary suspension or worse, lifetime ban. But for you, my lovely followers, I'll take the risk, okay? Personally, I think there's a lot of advantage, particularly me as manananggal. Disclaimer, ang lahat ng sasabihin ko ay based lamang sa experience ko. Okay? Ako so far, based on my personal experience of being a wakwak for almost 2 years and a half months, I think one of the perk is flexible working hours. Unlike sa corporate jobs, as a wakwak, hawak mo ang oras mo. Tulog ka sa umaga, gising ka sa gabi. Just like freelancers na parang naka-US based. So those freelancers na planning mag-join, this is a good news for you. No need na mag-adjust ng body clock. Next advantage is transportation. For example, to those students or employees, mapapadali na lang yung arrival nyo. Palipad-lipad ka na lang, ganon. Walang traffic, iwas late, iwas kaltas, iwas sa usok ng mga sasakyan, and iwas gastos sa pamasahe. And upon arrival, fresh-looking kapatid na. Kung mahilig ka naman mag-travel from one country to another, this is a very good option for you. Less hassle siya, no stress, no need tickets and any fees. So you're good to go na anytime, anywhere. So I can confidently say na worth it siya for travelers. Very recommendable. Next is diet friendly. Low carb mga pagkain mo. Puso, atay, laman loob, no need rice, just vice. And about naman sa food hunting, kung wala kang mabiktimang tao, may other option ka. Pwede kang mag-try ng mga hayop. And good news, sa ngayon, nagpa-practice na kami and medyo nakaka-adapt na kami sa veggies. And one thing for sure, in the future, that will be our alternatives na din. At ang kinagandaan pa dyan ay hindi na kailangang iluto. But, make sure na yung mga kinokonsume mo is salt and garlic free. Next is multitasking. For example, yung kalahati mo naghuhugas ng plato at yung kalahati mo naman is nagbubunot ng sahig, ganon. Or pwede ring yung upper part mo nagtratrabaho, yung lower part naman is nagwo-workout. Life balance, ganon. So with this ability, mas mapapabilis yung trabaho. You'll be able to work twice at a time. So next is fame. Feeling like a celebrity. Head turner ka, pinag-uusapan ka sa lugar nyo, at minsan umaabot pa sa ibang barangay. Whatever the chismis is, it doesn't matter. What matters most is relevant ka at pinag-uusapan. Dead ma sa bashers, pe. And wag ka, marami nang maghahabol sa'yo. Wag lang kayong magpang-abot kasi ibang usapan na yun. And you know what? You're contributing to the prevention of overpopulation. Kung sa tingin mo bilang tao ay wala kang ginagawang tama, as a wakwak, meron. And last but not the least, the one of the very best advantage of being a wakwak is increased in lifespan. Mas haba ang buhay mo, like if your lifespan as a normal human being is 70 years old, kung magpa-convert ka, possible na maduble or triple pa ang pagstay mo dito sa ibabaw ng lupa. Depende sa lucky spin. Para kang naka-aegis sa Dota. And yes, pwede mo siyang ilista as one of your retirement plan. Like for example, nag-retire ka na sa corporate job mo and you are too old na but still you want to enjoy and gusto mong makasama ng mas matagal ang pamilya mo, this is the sign. So kung tatanungin nyo ako kung worth it ba ang transition ko from normal person to wakwak, I can say na 50-50. Kasi may times pa rin na namimiss ko ang buhay ng pagiging normal na tao. May times rin na na-enjoy ko na-embrace ko na yung pagiging wakwak. And that's it. So sa mga aspiring aswang dyan, think twice, don't rush, and good luck. So ayun Mariel, sana kahit papano nasagot ko yung katanungan mo. And that's all for today. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam mga kawakwak!